Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Showbiz Shadows, where we dive into the shadows of Hollywood and beyond. Today, we're talking about Apple's latest financial report that's got everyone buzzing. The world's most valuable company has just reported record-breaking sales of $95 billion for the quarter, beating Wall Street estimates by a wide margin. Now let's get into the details. So, what made this quarter so special? Well, according to the report, Apple's services sector, which includes Apple TV+, Apple Music, and iCloud storage, saw a massive boost in revenue of $26.65 billion. That's double-digit growth, folks. And it looks like those numbers are going to keep growing, with iPhone sales increasing by nearly 2% annually. But here's the thing. Despite all this financial success, Apple is being remarkably tight-lipped about some of the bigger issues affecting its business, tariffs, artificial intelligence, and more. Showbiz Shadows knows that when big companies like Apple stay quiet on these topics, it usually means they're trying to avoid some kind of controversy. Now, let's talk about what those tariffs mean for Apple. As you might know, President Trump recently announced a new Liberation Day tariff plan that includes a whopping 145% tax on most Chinese imports. And since most of Apple's products are made in China, this has got everyone worried. We've seen Apple scrambling to get its products into the US before the tariffs went into effect. Talk about a logistical nightmare. But despite all these challenges, Apple's CEO Tim Cook has been keeping things relatively calm. In his statement accompanying the report, he mentioned that the company had reduced its carbon footprint by 60% over the past decade. That's some impressive green tech, folks. But let's not get too distracted. We still need to figure out how these tariffs are going to affect Apple's bottom line. For now, it looks like Apple's stock price has rebounded somewhat after hitting rock bottom following President Trump's announcement of the tariffs. The company even managed to recover most of its lost $1 trillion valuation. That's some impressive financial acrobatics, Showbiz Shadows fans. So there you have it, a brief look into Apple's latest financial report. We'll be keeping an eye on how these numbers play out in the coming months. Until next time, stay tuned for more insights from the shadows of Hollywood and beyond.